Have you ever noticed this? Working hard for something we don't care about feels like stress. But working hard for something we love feels like passion. Same hard work, completely different feelings. Let's unpack that today, and I promise to keep it fun and real. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Think about it. Remember those times in school or college when you had to memorize something boring? Maybe history dates or math equations. You'd stare at the page for hours, and 5 minutes later, poof, gone. Stressful, right? Now, compare that with your binge watching on your favorite serial at night. You don't even look at the clock. You're focused, you're energized. Nobody needs to remind you because you love it. That's passion. Same late night, totally different energy. I remember in my early years as an interior designer, I took up a project just because I needed the money. Honestly, I didn't care much about the style or even, client meetings felt like climbing Mount Everest. The deadlines stressed me out, and I found myself counting hours, not enjoying the process. But then came another project, one that aligned perfectly with my love for Indian crafts. I was bringing tribal art alive in a corporate space. I'd worked 14 hours days, yet I came home energized, smiling. Why? Because I was in love with what I was doing. The hard work didn't drain me, it actually filled me up. That's the power of passion. So here's the truth, it's not the hard work that stresses us out, it's working hard on the wrong things. When you find your passion, the same grind turns into growth. The same deadline turns into excitement. And the same work turns into play disguised as effort. Now, I want to ask you, what's one thing you can work on today that excites you, not exhausts you? Think about it. You can share it in the comments. And yes, if this struck a chord, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Remember, stress drains you, but passion sustains you. So choose wisely. And yes, I believe in you. I love you. Till next time, keep smiling.